So since these reels have evolved over the years, you know, I do prefer a button, but sometimes I like a reel seat and sometimes I like the Pro model. But maybe you prefer a lever style reel. Hey, that's two more models, okay? So since there are a handful of different parts in those models, you need to make sure that you go ahead and print off the diagram and the parts description. That way you've got the itemized part number. That way when you go to order parts, you know exactly what you need. So without further ado, drop in the description below, find the PDF file for the Muzzy XD parts list for the reel that you have. That way we can order the parts that you need. The more you understand your equipment, the more you'll understand what's going on with it, how to treat it, and how to get back in there and repair it, heaven forbid. Y'all shoot straight, shoot often. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, smash that like button if you like it. Send it to somebody who needs to work on their equipment. Share this video, and we'll see you guys on the water.